Hello everyone, this video is about my finished object, which are socks, and I knitted them using one of the KnitCrate boxes in May, and I used a yarn and a pattern. Are you interested? Check it out. Hey. Okay, it is not a sponsored link, although they literally are sending me boxes my way to open up and show it to you guys. There is no whatsoever pressure for me to knit with a yarn, but it's amazing. So I'm going to put it as like kind of promotional thing because, let's fair, they send it to me. But I do not knit patterns so often from KnitCrate boxes. I'll put a link down below to my playlist KnitCrate yarn. If I use their yarn to knit anything, it's there. Simple story, subscription, one box or two, depends which one you want to pick. This one is a KnitCrate membership, and in May we got this beautiful magazine and a yarn, one skein of yarn. I browsed through this month. Now, you know, it's June. Oh, July. It's July. Yeah, it's July. It is July? Yeah, it's July. It's July anyway, so you know, it took me a while. I knitted it, but it takes me a while to record it. But in the May subscription, we had 3 pair of socks that we could knit, crochet, knit. Okay, and I picked these. Woohoo! Now tell me, aren't the same? So this is a dancing butterfly, and the designer is Cynthia. On the screen, please. I'm so bad in pronunciation, so I'm so sorry, but she is a Canadian designer, so hello to Canada. So you know where you can find her. She is from Northwest Territories, and if she doesn't knit, she likes outdoor adventures. Ooh. You can find her on RAVELRY as Red Tiger Designs on Instagram. And yes, I have all the information from here. If you're going to knit this pattern, probably it's also on Cynthia's RAVELRY, I'm not sure, but if you are going to knit any Cynthia's patterns, check it out and say hi from me to her. I love this one actually. Why did I knit it? Because we received such a beautiful high twist yarn. I'm going to show you in a sec. And the name is the color is strawberries, although for me it looks like more a watermelon. And it's a Vidalana Delight Sport. So it's a sport weight, but I knitted a, you know, fingering. It's very high twist, so I'm like, ah. Anyway, so we have 100% superwash merino. And so yeah, for sock, I know, I hear you, but it's a gift knit. It has to be kind of special. Anyway, I presume that person will stick her legs up on the bed or a nice sofa or, you know, chair and relax, enjoy, just watch as an art. Amazing knitwear. Back to the yarn. We have 340 yards, which is 310 meters. Normally we have 366 meters to 425 meters. I operate more in meters than yards, and here is 310, so it's kind of 50 meters less. But I did not feel it, to be honest. Anyway, do I know the size, the foot of my recipient? Not really, but you know, she is a knitter. She's watching those videos. Well, is definitely going to watch this one. Hello to you. What else I can say? It's such a beauty, such a beauty. You know how to wash it. I know you do. I promised you to show you the twist. Check the screen now. Do you see how beautiful twist it is? I really like it. I'm kind of drawn towards sock yarn like this. Do you have any leftovers? Well, let me know. Anything else? I knitted it in the best bag ever. I got it from Laura from the Yarn Closet podcast. Check her out. She used to with podcasting on her own. Now she's podcasting with her mom, and it's just a pleasure and a smile on my face when I see it. So check that out. And what else dingling things you can find over here? Well, you can find my keychain socks. You can find them in my shop, and then some, you know, it's a tag/progress organizer. So here it is, and some tags or progress keepers. Oh, all stars. I would show you needles, although, you know, my gauge normally is 8 inches by, and 1 inch. 8 inches, 8 stitches by 1 inch. So something like this. I would say this is, you know, this is quite the same. I did 56 stitches over here and around, so something that I would knit socks for myself. In regards for the circumference, not the length. With the length, yeah, I did the same thing. And now, what kind of needles I use? I'm going to show you, but obviously they're occupied now. So we have it over here, although the pouch I used was Flower Power. Although, you know, look at this. That's the last time you're going to see it, because not even my shop and I'm not selling this design anymore. So whoever has those pouches, you're a lucky one, because now we're going to 2 new ones. Just a spoiler. Well, a sneak peek. Not a spoiler, because you haven't seen it. Anyway, back to the needles, highest, that's my favorites. And I used 2. I used 80 centimeters cable, so it's 32 inches. It's a circular needles, and you use magic loop to knit. And what I do with the magic loop method, I use for toes and heels. I do afterthought heel with the cutting method. If you're interested in how to do it, I'll put the links down below. And then after the toe, because I do toe up, I switched to, no, you know what, cut it off. I didn't really use this method because the actual socks were knitted from the cuff down. Yes, these are knitting like that. These, ladies and gentlemen, are knitted from the cuff down, and I did it. And from the beginning, I think I used circulars to do this. And although I did not follow the pattern, I didn't even read the pattern in regards to heel, I just did afterthought heel the way I do it. Yeah. But I did follow for a toe, as I recall. Yes, I did, because it looks completely different. So here is the toe, and as you can see, it looks slightly different. So yeah, it's not the way I normally do it, but this is how it is. Now, I think that's all. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have some socks on your needles. If you do, I hope you do. Let me know down below. Do you have a pattern socks on your needles, or do you like just to knit a stockinette stitch socks? I really like stockinette stitch socks, to be honest, but sometimes from time to time I like a pattern sock too. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. Don't forget to use #knitting I love. Show me what you're knitting. Hit subscribe, hit like, and I hope to see you next one. Bye. Now I can pack it.